From the provider, Nourisha is an LED light cane with support on the bottom with ergonomic grip and handle. Now what we're going to be showing you is what the product is about. As we open up the product to show you how nicely they are packaged and well protected. Some easy assembly is required. Please remove all tie wraps, foam and cardboard. We have a Velcro strip, simply open to remove the cardboard. When setting up your cane, it has a drawstring, simply allow it to snap together, and your cane is set up for individual heights. We have 6 positions with the gold clip pin. By pressing, rotating, and bringing it to the height you need, and a thumb screw to tighten down for added security. On the bottom we have a solid rubber cane footer. A close-up look at it. By rotating and pulling off, it has a clip pin, allows the additional supported cane tip to be snapped on and locked into place. What it looks like from the bottom side and around. On the handle is a push button, an LED light, a name tag, a clip to put keys and purses or whatnot, and a handle. A rubber grip handle for nighttime viewing, looking for the keyhole. Please unscrew and place in a battery. 2 AA batteries, positive forward. With the rubber grip backing, simply press and the light shines. The stand-up cane measures from the very bottom to the top 40 inches. By lowering down to the maximum of 6 clicks, 36 inches with the 4 feet. I stand 6 feet tall. It measures up to my waist. Removal is as simple as pressing the button and adding on the tip. Check online for further details about replacements and pushing on the cane to the floor that is non-standable like the 4-piece. With the minimum height measuring 30.5 inches to 34.5 inches. That is the height and measurement of the cane. With the handle measuring from the tip of the light to the other end 5.5 inches. With the key ring slidable all the way down. It is removable by pulling out and sliding on to the appropriate bar. In this demonstration showing the cane, check online for further details about the cane. Applying pressure, ergonomic grip, rubber bottom. With the added support foot placed on, we'll demonstrate walking with this. Placed on the floor, readjusting the height, locking down, and walking. With 4 feet grabbing all around in the direction needed to go. with some rotation of the handle, is adjustable. Pressing on the light, and walking. Staircase. Hard floor, carpeted floor, your cane for your walking needs. I hope you enjoy your cane if this is something that you're looking for your walking needs. And thank you for viewing. It's a foldable cane by simply pulling and folding up and locking down. Enjoy your cane for vacations, those needs of taking it with you on the go, anywhere imaginable. Thank you for viewing.